Hello guys, so in this video I want to try a method to fix the broken lane watch camera, which you can access from here. So usually if you have a Honda car that comes with a lane watch camera, you can just press this button to preview what is going on with the camera right there. There's a little camera right there. Right now it's not working. Okay, so as you can see, I press the camera watch button, or if I simply just turn on the right turn, it is not showing up. Okay, it turns on automatically with right turn, and you can press this button. So we're gonna try to do a reset for the system, and hopefully with that reset we would get the camera working. And if not, it probably means that the actual camera is broken. I have to get a new unit, a camera replacement unit, to get the whole thing replaced. All right, so to do a reset, you basically just long press the audio power button for a few seconds, and the device will say, do you want to reboot? This is an Android system, by the way, so you just say yes. We're going to try to reboot and try to reset the camera. And this thing also, I believe, resets other devices. For example, those devices, the lane keeping, cruise control, whatever, and using the cam. So basically all the camera system gets reset when you hit the reboot button by long press the power button here. And again, for a lot of Honda cars, I have a Honda Clarity, but if you have a Civic, you have a Accord, procedure should be similar. Okay, so once the finish is reset, we're going to come back and we're going to try the camera and to see if it gets reset or not. All right, so it just finished resetting. Moment of truth, I am going to turn the right turn signal on, and let's see if it would display anything. Let's see. So we're in the system, to the camera, and it is fixed. So yeah, that's usually if you see a blank screen on your right turn, it's a software issue. Again, Honda reliability renowned, and this is a really easy reset step. So if your camera has similar issues, try this first. If it doesn't work, then there might be a hardware issue as opposed to software. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I'll have more Honda Clarity / Honda car repair tips coming out for you guys. Okay, thanks again, and see you in the next video. Take care.